So here we go. Number one. What shape is number one? Trapezoidal prism. Trapezoidal prism. All right, guys. How do you find the lateral area of a prism? What's the formula? Look at your notes. What is the formula for the lateral area of a prism? Okay, so just pH, right? Perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, so lateral area is pH. Okay, what does that P represent? Perimeter of the base. What shape is my base? Okay, so find the perimeter of the trapezoid. How long is this top side? 12. And I've got the left side, I've got the bottom side, so what am I missing? The right side. How long is the right side? 9 inches. That dimension is going to be in the back, so I have 9 inches. So the perimeter, 12 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9. And now, be careful here. What does the H represent in this formula? Height of what? The height of the prism, not the height of the base. So therefore, what is the height of my prism? Okay. So we add this all up. We got 12 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9, which is 36. Times 10. 360 square inches. Now notice, I didn't find the area of the base. I'm just doing lateral area. Okay, so if I want to do surface area, what do I have to add in there? Yeah, the 2b. Alright, so do that at the bottom here. So surface area is pH plus 2b. And we already know what the pH is, right? That's from right here. So we have 360 plus 2b. Now, what shape is my base? Trapezoid. How do you find the area of a trapezoid? What's the formula? Okay, now guys, this is where you have to stop and think. So I'm going to give you guys a moment here to catch up. Because I'm not going to waste my time going further because I know you guys are going to get lost. You have to stop and think at this point. I already have my lateral area. I need to add in the area of my bases, which you said is trapezoids. In the formula for the trapezoid, so notice I'm going to keep my 2 out front. Area for trapezoid is 1/2 h b1 plus b2. But now this is where you have to stop and think. You have to allow the brain to process what you're doing. What does this H represent? Height of what? The height of the trapezoid, not the height of the prism. How high is my trapezoid? Okay, and by the way, what's 2 times 1/2? They cancel out. So I have 360 plus 6 times. Now what are my 2 bases? 12 and 8. So what's 12 plus 8? 20. What's 20 times 6? 120 plus 360? 480 square inches. Yes?
For when you're finding the lateral surface area, were you finding the perimeter of the trapezoid?
Perimeter of the trapezoid, yep. Perimeter of the base. No. The P here represents the perimeter of the base. Alright, guys, what do we have on number 2? Triangular prism. Okay, and hey, we got really lucky because our triangle is what type of a triangle? A right triangle. So it's like our gigantic slice of cake. Or cheese.
Oh, I really could go. Cheese.
Now, the problem here is if I want to do lateral area, I can't use the perimeter of my base because I'm missing the third side. What could I use that will allow me to find that third side? Pythagorean theorem. 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to C squared. Go figure that out for me real quick. Figure out what C is. And leave it in radical form. Pythagorean theorem. What's the length of this base? 17. So perimeter, 15 plus 17 plus 18 is 40. What's the height of the prism? Okay, therefore my total lateral area is 400 square meters.
Not 8.
Yes, 8. Okay. Now we gotta find surface area. Surface area is pH plus 2b. We already know the pH. 400. What shape is our base? Triangle. How do you find the area of a triangle? Half base times height. So we have 2 times 1/2 base times height. 2.5. Cancel out. 400 plus. What is the base of my base? Okay, so 8. What is the height of my base? 15. So that's 400 plus 120. All right. Yeah, that's right. Gives me 520 square meters. Alright guys, I'm going to stop us there. Again, cylinders, just use the formula 2 pi r squared for area and then 2 pi RH for the lateral area. Okay, so we'll get you guys going on homework tonight. Is on Math Excel. And you have a homework challenge on my big campus.